phrase. Today I'm going to show you a secret website where you can dropship online. You can dropship to US markets online, hassle free. So if you don't know what is dropshipping is a business model where you don't need to stock products that you are selling. You simply strategically connect the buyer with the supplier while making your profit from anywhere you are in the world. Okay, so traditionally dropshippers use AliExpress, and you follow this way. You create your store, you import AliExpress product to your store, and when you sell, you order the product from AliExpress and ask the supplier to ship to the address of your customer. But one thing that makes AliExpress more difficult to dropship is their shipping time. If you are shipping from China to USA, most likely the product will spend 30 or more days before it gets to your customer, which is a turn off for some people. When some people see that they are going to wait for 30 days, it will turn them off, right? Okay, so Sellvia now have a fulfillment center in California, USA. So with this Sellvia, you are able to dropship to USA. The shipping time is 1 to 3 working days to any address in USA. Okay, that's awesome because your customers will see it as an advantage. Instead of waiting for 30 days, they get their product in just 3 days. Okay, and it will also boost your e-commerce business. Alright, so Sellvia have 2 ways you can work with them. Number one is you can order for a custom store from their website. That means you order for the store, they will create the store for you, send you everything, then you start operating, running ads and all that. And number 2 is what they'll give you a plugin that you can install in your already made store, maybe your Ecommerce store or Shopify store. So yes, with that you're able to import their products to your store and start selling. Okay, the custom store will cost you around $69 per month, around $300 and something per year, and that is awesome. That is awesome compared to the value they will give you and the profit that you make in this business. Okay, so when you scroll down this site, you see a lot of their unique selling points. Say reach millions, deliver smiles, and we make money. Okay, so you can sell from anywhere you are. You are an Indian, you are an Arab, you are in California, you are in Nigeria, anywhere you are in the world, you can use this platform to make money, simply sitting at the comfort of your home and selling in the USA market. You know, that's awesome. Okay, so let's get started and see how to order for the custom store. So if you want to order for a custom store, you come and click on this big yellow button. Click on this yellow button to order your custom store. Click here. Let's wait as it loads. Okay, here we are. When you click on that big yellow button, it brings you to this place, and this place say limited offer. Start your e-commerce business for free today. What that means is that they'll give you free 14 days to order for the store. They will give you access to the store. the store is already made store that's already making profits, they will replicate it for you and give you that where you can start advertising and making money right away. Let us build your perfect online store with top selling products. It will work on autopilot and bring you profits for the years to come. That is it. So say, get my store for free. Try 7 for 14 days. $399 year after trial. You see? So you can choose to pay monthly, which is $69 per month. $69 per month after your 14 days trial. And I recommend that you start with that to see how things work out. Okay. So when you scroll down, you see other things, how it works. How do I get my store? Subscribe to Sellvia Pro, fill out to Sellvia, you answer some questions to know the kind of store they will send to you, then sit back and relax. Get your ready-made store. Okay. So if you want to choose this option, what you do is just click on this, but we are not going to get this done right now. Okay, let's also explore the other way to work with Sellvia. As I said before, you can work with them in two ways. Either you order a custom store or you subscribe to get the plugin for their website. Okay, so as we are here, if you want to subscribe for the plugin, this is where you go. As you can see, say you already have an e-commerce store, you can boost it with Sellvia. How does that happen? What that means is maybe you know how to work your way around creating a store with Ecommerce or other e-commerce platform. You have the store already, you just need a supplier, you just need a platform that will help you in fulfilling orders. Sellvia can help you do that. It can help you do that. And how do you get to start working with them? You come here on this, click on this button right now. Click on this button to subscribe. Click here. Let's wait as it loads. Okay, here we are. Say, make your customers happy with the best USA-based e-commerce suppliers. So you see, basically when your customers knew that they will receive their products in 1 to 3 working days, they will be happy. They will be happy to order, and after ordering, they might even come back to order for more, because that is a sale booster. You see, so this here we are now. What you do here is to get the plugin, so that you can have access to Sellvia products that you can add to your store. Okay, so how do you go about it? You can just go to this yellow big button that says try now. It is free. It is not entirely free. It is free for 14 days. 14 days free trial, and after that you'll be paying $39 per month, which is awesome. Awesome. For 1 month you can make way more than that. If you are serious in your store, you can make way more than that. So paying $39 after 1 month will not be a problem. Okay, so you can choose to go scroll down and explore more about their services. Explore more about their services. What makes them better? Okay, so as you can see here now, AliExpress and the Sellvia compare. Sellvia sells more cheap than AliExpress. and the product page, everything is more unique. All of them are already optimized to make results compared to AliExpress. AliExpress, their products, their packaging, everything is not well optimized to start selling immediately. As a dropshipper, you must have to start customizing it if you are using AliExpress. You see, but with this Sellvia, it is made easy for you. So how do you go about it? First of all, you click on this try now, it's free. And when you click on this, let's wait as it's okay. Here we are. When you click on that button, it will bring you to the checkout page. It is that simple. As you can see, it is $0 for now because you are on monthly trial, on 14-day trial, sorry. So you just enter your information, enter your email, your card number, the name of your card, the expiration date, and the security, the trade code at the back of your card. Any card can work, your MasterCard, your Visa card, depending on where you are registering from. Okay. So after that, click on complete order, and that is it. You'll be taken to your dashboard where you see you download your plugin. Alright, we're not going to do that right now because the video is already getting long. I don't want it to be too long. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. Next, we're going to show you how to purchase the custom store, and also how to go about downloading your plugin and importing products to your store to start selling immediately. Thank you once again for watching. Share this video to your friends and family so that they can benefit from this also. See you next time. Thank you.